Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore the online Average Nucleotide Identity, or ANI, calculator provided by CJ Bioscience. If you're working with prokaryotic genomes and need a reliable way to classify or identify bacteria, this tool can be incredibly useful. So first, what is ANI? ANI, or Average Nucleotide Identity, is a widely accepted genomic similarity metric used to compare two prokaryotic genome sequences. In microbial taxonomy, ANI plays a critical role in determining whether two bacterial strains belong to the same species. Instead of relying solely on phenotypic traits or single-gene comparisons like 16S ribosomal RNA, ANI provides a whole genome-level comparison, making it far more precise and robust. The CJ Bioscience ANI calculator simplifies this process by allowing you to upload two genome sequences and automatically compute the ANI value between them. What makes this tool especially powerful is that it uses the ortho-ANIU algorithm. This is an improved version of the original ortho-ANI method. Unlike earlier implementations that relied on BLAST for sequence alignment, ortho-ANIU uses usearch, which significantly improves computational speed while maintaining high accuracy. In practical terms, that means 1. Faster genome comparisons. 2. Reliable species-level resolution. 3. Efficient analysis even for larger datasets. Whether you're validating a newly sequenced isolate, confirming species identity, or conducting comparative genomics research, this ANI calculator provides a streamlined and accessible solution. In the next part of this video, I'll walk you step by step through how to use the platform, upload your genome files, and interpret the ANI results correctly. Let's get started. Now, copy the web page URL and paste it into your preferred web browser to access the site. Next, upload the DNA FASTA files for the two genomes you want to compare. These files will be used for the ANI analysis. After uploading, you'll see the basic information of the genome right on your screen. Next, hit the Calculate button. The process typically takes anywhere from 30 seconds to 2 minutes. The ANI value can be used to help determine species boundaries. Determining bacterial species using genome ANI is actually pretty straightforward. ANI measures how similar two genomes are at the DNA level. As a rule of thumb, if the ANI between two bacterial genomes is 95 to 96% or higher, they're considered the same species. Anything below that usually means they're different species. So, once you've calculated the ANI between your genome and some reference genomes, just compare the values. Higher ANI means the same species, while lower ANI suggests a different one. We sincerely acknowledge the institutions and agencies behind this platform, and we've included scientific citations for your reference and further reading. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or inquiries, drop us a message in the comments below. We'll be happy to help and respond as best as we can. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content.